Hello, students. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a story versus a plot. Now, some people might think that these are the same exact things, but in film and in dramatic literature, they are not. A story, on the one hand, is a series of events that occurs in alignment and in sequence from the very beginning all the way to the end. What I've done to help illustrate this is I've commandeered some of my son's Legos to show you. If this is a storyline and each Lego represents an event in a storyline, we'll go from A all the way to Z. A, B, C, D, all the way until we get to Z, and we leave nothing out. It's greatly detailed and it's in firm alignment, and it's unchanging. This is a story. When we're talking about a plot is when a playwright or a screenwriter takes the events and then rearranges them in an artistic way to help tell the story in a reimagined manner. So if you look at the same timeline that we have with a story where we go from beginning all the way to end, A to Z, when we're talking about a plot, the playwright or the screenwriter might decide that they don't want to start here at A. Maybe what they want to do is they want to start at D. And this is the new place that this tale is going to unfold. And all of this in the beginning, this all becomes what we call exposition. This blue Lego is now what you call a point of attack. Now, a screenwriter or a playwright will take the remaining events and they will rearrange them in a way that they find artistically satisfying. So they may omit an event that they don't think is important. They may move events around to help satisfy the storytelling. They might clump something here. And now, what you have instead of your traditional A to Z is something that looks a little bit more like this. A, B, C, exposition. We start at D, and then maybe we jump, we might jump to L, M, N. Maybe we have a flashback that goes back to F, G. Then we jump up to Y, and then we end at Z. And that's what a plot will give you.